Today I'm going to show you how to create a guild on Discord, step by step, in a simple and beginner-friendly way. If you've been wondering how to set up your own Discord server for friends, a club, a community, or even a gaming group, this is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Discord guild up and running in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Discord web in your browser. You can do this by going to Discord's web app and signing in with your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're inside Discord, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where all of your servers are listed, and this is also where you'll start the process of creating a new one. Now find the plus button, also known as Add a Server, on the left side of the screen. Click that button to open the server creation options. Discord will now ask what kind of server you want to make. At this point, choose Create My Own. This option is perfect if you want full control over your server and want to build it from scratch for your own purpose. After that, Discord will ask you to choose the type of community you are creating. You'll usually see two choices here, for me and my friends, or for a club or community. If you're making a private space for a small group of people, choose for me and my friends. If you're building something larger, like a fan group, study group, gaming community, or organization, choose for a club or community. This step helps Discord tailor the setup process a little bit, but either way, you're creating your own guild or server. Next, you'll need to enter your server name. This is the name that will appear to everyone who joins, so pick something clear, easy to remember, and relevant to the community you want to build. You can name it after your group, your brand, your game, or anything else that fits your purpose. After entering the name, Discord may also give you the option to upload an icon. This part is optional, but adding an icon can make your server look more polished and recognizable. If you want, you can upload a logo, profile image, or any other image that represents your guild. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Create. Discord will generate your new server, and just like that, your guild is now created. You'll be taken directly into your new Discord server, where you can start setting up channels, inviting members, and customizing the space however you want. From here, you can create text channels, voice channels, and roles, depending on how you want your community to run. So that's it. Creating a guild on Discord is really that easy. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.